Good morning, traders. So as you can see, I am in this micro E-mini Nasdaq 100 futures trade. Is looking really good. So the entry looks amazing. As you can see, we are up almost $1,000, and yeah, we're heading towards our TP. Hopefully, we are going to hit our TP very soon. But stay tuned because I'm going to give you a full breakdown of this trade, so you understand why I decided to take that trade. So stay tuned. See y'all in a minute. All right. So we just hit TP. Nice $2,000 back to back. That's $4,000 in 2 days, and I only spent what? How long on the chart? Like 10 minutes, 20 minutes. If it wasn't for posting the video, I wouldn't even look at the chart. So yeah, I just spent like a couple of minutes in the morning to take the trade and just let it do its thing, and that's just amazing. It's just amazing. But anyways, let me give you the full breakdown of this trade. So pretty much in the morning, when I look at the trend, it seems like we were going up. So the trend was bullish, right? But then I noticed a break of character here, right? We broke character, indicating that we might have reached the highest point of the trend, right? And that the market is going to revert, right? So as you can see, the price went back to that zone. And here we have like a supply zone here, right? We have a supply zone, right? We also have a double top. So as soon as we reach that area, I took the trade. And as you can see, sniper entry, and we melted down to my TP. And yeah, we made $2,000 in a few minutes. Easy, simple, straightforward. And yeah, so if you want more breakdown videos, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you want to learn my strategy, of course, you can click in the link in the description. And yeah, there's no secret. So yeah, see y'all in the next video. Peace.